Morning everyone, let me introducing myself. My full name is Labib Kaka Widoyakti. My name number is 1924 503. I am from Information Study Program. I'm here to present the material that I made previously, named Software Operating System and Hardware. Software Operating System. What is software and operating system? Computer software and operating system are critical components in the field computing. Computer software includes all the program application that direct a computer to perform specific tasks, while the operating system or OS is the foundational software that manages hardware resource and provide a platform from other software to run on. Computer software is a collection of instructions that tell a computer how to perform specific tasks. It can be classified into different types based on its function and application. Type of computer software. First, system software serves as a bridge between computer hardware and application software. Includes the operating system and utility program that help manage the computer resource. Example: Windows, macOS, Linux, and utility software like antivirus program. 2. Application software allow user to perform specific tasks and application tailored from end user for productivity, entertainment, and various specialized functions. Example: Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, web browser, and games. Programming software provide tools and environment for programmers to develop software. Includes compiler, interpreters, and integrates development environment or IDEs. Example: Visual Studio, Eclipse, and Python IDEs. 4. Driver software control and manage the operation of specific hardware connect to the system. Act as an interface between the operating system and hardware device like printers, graphic cards, and sound card. Example: printer drivers, graphics, and a graphic cards driver. What is operating system? An operating system is the primary system software that manages computer hardware and provides a platform for other software. It facilitates communication between user, application, and hardware. Function of an operating system. First, process management. Manage and schedule the execution of program. 2. Memory management. Manage the system memory, including allocation and delocation. Ensure that each application has the required memory space without conflict. 3. File system management. Manage file on the disk, including file creation, deletion, and storage. Organize file into directory, ensuring security and accessibility. 4. Device management. Manage and control hardware device like printer disk and keyboards. Use drivers as intermediaries between hardware and the OS. 5. User interface. Provides a user-friendly interface to interact with the computer. Common interface include graphical user interface or GUI and command line interface or CLI. Importance of software and operating system. Efficiency. The OS ensure optimal utilization of the system resource, leading to better performance. 2. User accessibility. GUI-based OS make it easy for non-technical users to operate computers. 3. Security. Modern OS provide protection mechanism, including encryption, firewall, and user authentication. 4. Compatibility. OS provides an environment that supports various application and hardware components. Okay, let's continue with the second material, hardware. What is hardware? Computer hardware is all the physical part of a computer, distinguished by the data that resides in it or that operates in it, and software that provide hardware creation instruction to complete its task. The boundary between hardware and software are slightly blurry. Firmware is software that is created into the hardware. The firmware is territory of computer programmers and computer engineering, and the user does not need to pay attention this part. What is different between computer hardware and software? Hardware refers to the physical, tangible element of a computer system, such as central processing unit, hard drive, and the graphic card. These are parts of your computer that you can see and touch. They are the components that are fit together inside your computer case. Software encompasses that intangible program and application that run on these hardware components, including operating system like Windows and Mac OS, productivity software like Microsoft Office, game, and web browser like Google Chrome. Example of computer hardware and software. These two different. The software and hardware. First, software computer component. Windows, Mac OS, Microsoft Office, Adobe Acrobat Reader, security software, and Google Chrome. That's all software computer component. And this hardware have like example motherboard, central processing unit or CPU, random access memory or RAM, storage drive, HDD or SSD, graphic processing unit or GPU, keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Types of hardware. First, hardware input. Input hardware is a type of hardware component used to enter raw data and is categorized as an input device. Input hardware help manage data such as text, image, and audio-visual recording. In addition, this type of hardware also help the process of transferring file between computer. 2. Hardware processing. Processing hardware is a core component of computer device. This type of hardware converts raw data into readable information so that it can make the computer device work the way you want. 3. Hardware output. Hardware component that deploy and display data and information fall into the category of hardware output. This type of hardware has two types, namely soft copy and hard copy. Example, hardware output, soft copy of output hardware that produce visual, sound, and network device such a projection display, interactive smart boards, headphone and earphone, Ethernet cable, flash drive, and external drive, and optical drive. Hardware output hardware that produce something in tangible physically form, such as dosimetric printers, 3D printers, inkjet printers, laserjet printers, and thermal printers. 4. Storage hardware. Storage hardware is a component where data is stored that is classified as a memory device. Such devices are divided into primary and secondary memory. Storage hardware example. First, main memory, including DRAM, SRAM, and ROM. Secondary memory include hard drive, solid-state disk drive, optical disk, flash disk, and external disk drive. Okay. Conclusion. The development of hardware can be concluded that computer hardware is moving in a smaller direction: mobile, large storage capability, reliable in data processing, as well as output and input device that allow human to interact easily with computer. The development of the internet has many benefits in all aspects of people's daily needs. One of the benefits of this development is business process. The development of information has given birth to new business processes that depend entirely on the internet network. Computerized systems are one of the means in realizing an effective performance, while technological development have a changing impact of the mindset and working of human themselves, where information systems are one of the flagship in the world computerization that have a function in process information. Okay, that's all material from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.